We use console.log to print messages, and that way we debug our code. But did you know that you can use other beneficial console methods? The log method that we usually use will simply log a message to our console. If you wish to log an unmistakable error message and that way create a more immersive debugging experience, you can use the error method. To print a warning message, you can use the warn method. Next to methods, we can wrap our log with braces to provide labels for things we are logging. Logs with multiple values can look weird, but use the table method on the entire object and you will get values with the labels and prevent redundant logs. Also, one cool thing about the logs is that we can track the time between our logs. All you need to do is to use a time method to start the timer. You can use time log method to check the timer and use the time end method to stop and get the timer. Be sure to explore around as you can use the console for much more. Facebook is using it to prevent potential hacks. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe for more weekly videos.